Okay, hello dear friends, good morning. This is the third or fourth time of learning makeup according to YouTube tutorial. And so I use to get my hair out of the way and use the same red. So a layer of prime to make a workable work canvas. And then use foundation to cover up some particular place. I think that should be sufficient. And now we will use some, and this time I will use it very lightly. Contour very lightly. And then another layer of powder very lightly. Use a large brush. So this way, I feel today my face looks much less powdery and less dry. I feel. The lighting is always not the most favorable on my face. So I have this one is a little bit too dark. So I will use this not too dark. Still these two colors. For my eyebrow. It's pretty dark actually. And some less dark color. You do not want to make it too prominent, right? to cover my eyes. This is the light color, and this is the face powder. To provide a working space, a working foundation. Use a relatively large. So the work foundation is light. Okay, I will use the relatively darker color, and it actually does not show anything. And then the lighter color, and then the darker color on top of the light color. And now we use the light color again to smear it. It is light, but still it is darker than the skin color, right? And this time we use the pure light color again. Okay, and at the very end we put some really dark color with very prominent brush. It is almost invisible. And that is about it. Now we make the eyebrow a little bit less sharp, a little bit more like our human eyebrow, instead of looking like painted eyebrow. And this way we look almost no makeup. And it's broken, fix it a little bit. It's not perfect, so it's just perfect, because we do not want perfection, right? If it is not perfect, it is perfect. Okay, now we add some color here, color here. Sorry for the background sound. feel today's makeup is a little bit more oily or more more shiny and less dry. I personal feel, not sure, 100% sure. So this way you walk out, nobody will really feel you have a makeup. I think this is no makeup. If I am allowed to call it no makeup. Cuckoo. And that is about it.1分钟好吗，宝贝儿？我知道姑姑想要进去，我也想要见姑姑 ，but so you have a wonderful every day. I love you. I really do. Do, and that's it. I feel today is less dry, and the skin, I need to wear my glasses to see it. Still, there's can see the freckles, but what can we do? That is part of my gene. I love you, I really do. Do.